Welcome back to Tim's Style, where we empower you to make the most of technologies. In today's video, we're continuing our series on website customization. This time, we'll be covering how to add new pages and set up effective navigation for your site. Let's dive back in with Kay, who will guide us through this next important step. Let's get started.
Let's say you wanted to add a new page to this website. So there are two ways. You can either start from scratch, but a much easier way is to actually copy an existing page and work from there. So for example here, let me click on the About page, then I'm going to click on Edit Page, and next in the top right corner, I'm going to click on the three dots, and all the way at the bottom, I'm going to click on Copy All Blocks. Next, let me click on the WordPress logo here to go back, and then I'm going to click on Add a New Page. Let's call it Our Concept. And first of all, I'm going to click on the little I here to hide the title on the page. Then I'm going to click where it says Type to choose a block. I'm going to right click and click on Paste. And there you go, it copied the whole page. Next, I'm going to click on the Astra settings because just like the rest of the pages, I want this page to have a transparent header. So in the options, I'm going to go to Advanced Settings, and where it says Transparent Header, I'm going to click on Enabled. Then click on Return to Post, and here let's change the title so we can differentiate between the About page and this page. And as usual, we could just change the image here, so you know the drill now. We need to go back to this icon, which is the settings icon. Let's open the document overview, select the first container, then you know the drill now. Go to Style, change image, then select an image, click on Select, and there you go. Then click on Update. And if I go back to the front end and refresh, as you will see, nothing happens. And that's for a reason. We've added a new page, but now we need to tell WordPress, hey, there's a new page and we need to show it in the navigation. So that brings us to our next point, editing the navigation. So from the dashboard, you want to go to Appearance, Menus. And as you can see here, we see our most recent pages. And you can see the Our Concept page that we just created. So let me select that one. Click on Add to Menu, and from here I can just reorder the pages. So let me put it here, and let me change offerings, let me put it here also. Now in the final demo, we change the label. It's not going to be offering, it's going to be our menu. So right now I'm going to leave it as it is and click on Save Menu. And now if you go back to the front end and refresh, as you can see, the Our Concept page is there, and if we click on it, there you go. So it works as intended. So let's go back to the home page. Now you can see we have offerings here, and I told you we want to change it to our menu. So back in WordPress, in Appearance Menus, I'm going to click on the little arrow here next to offerings, and I'm going to change it to our menu. Click on Save Menu. And now if I go back and refresh, as you can see, the label has changed to our menu. Now I told you there are two ways to do this. So the other way would have been to go back. So let me go back to Dashboard, then Pages. And here it says Offering. I'll hover over it, click on Quick Edit, and I could change the label here and the slug. But the issue with this is if you change it, then you have to make sure that every place on the website where it used to link to that previous URL is changed. And if you don't, you're gonna have missing links, and it's bad for SEO or search engine optimization. So let's keep it simple here.